Hello students, welcome again in my class, C Guru Gyan classes. Today I am going to, after the second part, our part 3, elimination method, related word problems and examples questions. Students, I already explained exercise 3.3, some example questions and word problems. But illustrations are remaining. So first of all, I complete today illustrations for elimination method, and after that I explain today new method. It is a substitutions method. So students, I start there. Example 13. The ratio of the income of two persons is 9:7 and the ratio of their expenditure is 4:3. If each of them manages to rupees save 2000, yes, here two types of value given, that two persons are, here income given 9:7. So I first start. Suppose here these are income of two persons respectively 9:7 students. It means suppose income of two persons 9x and 7x respectively. This I assume that. And second given their expenditures. Yes. Also both of our given that this one, yes, expenditure are 4:3. So I taking 4y and 3y respectively. Now students, both of the manage rupees 2000 rupees per month. It means their income and their expenditures both are subtraction, then they manages. So both are, yes, these are reading, manage rupees 2000 rupees. So 9x minus 4y 2000, and same as here you reading out that 7x minus 3y is also 2000 rupees. Yes students, just only two little equations here I derive, and after that I just calculate by elimination method. Yes students, I calculate elimination. Here 3 multiply and here 4 multiply. So we multiply 3 with equation number 1 and here 4 with equation number 2. Just only you 3 multiply to first equation students, because here y and y I just decided it is eliminate. So here 3 multiply, what you get? Here 3, then 9 3s are 27, 4 3s are 12, and here 3 multiply, then 6. Similarly here 4 multiply, 7 4s are 28x, 12y, and 4 multiply, then 8000. Now I just subtract, it is minus, plus and minus, this 12y easily remove students. Now 27 minus 28, it get minus x, and here minus 2000. It means how much x? Yes, it get only 2000. This x is ready. Now students, this x value, yes, this x value I apply in equation 1 either 2. Best way I going to first one. So from 1, what is your from 1? 9x minus 4y 2000. So only students you apply x value. So 9 into 2000, 4y same, and just you calculate. So 9 2s are 18,000 minus 2000 inside is equal to 4y. So 18 minus 2, you know that 16,000. So what is the y? 16,000 divided by 4. Yes, these 4 fours are gone. Only you have how much? 4,000. Now students, read the question. What is target? Find their monthly incomes. So monthly income already I assume that 9x and 7x. Putting value x and finished your sum. And if you are asking monthly both of the expenditures, then 4y and 3y utilize. So finally, students, here this x value and y value, only x value I put it here, and they getting our value for x. Students, this value x and y you put it here in your final answer. So required income of first person. What is first person income taking? 9x. So 9 into x, I know that 2000. So my answer is 18,000 is your first person income. And second person income. Same doing, students. This is second person income. You already assumed that 7x. So 7 into 2000. It get 14,000 rupees. That much is my answer. And if you expenditure asking, then 4 into y putting 16 and 3 into 4 putting, it is 12. So here your this numerical is very easily and over that. Now students, continue example 12. Using elimination method and calculate these two equations. Students, here you first decided what you eliminate. Either eliminate x, either eliminate y. So students, if I decided x eliminate, sure multiply by 2. Either here also multiply by 2, both of the same. So we start that, we multiply 2 with equation number first. Here 2 multiplied. So 4x plus 6y is equal to 8 to the 16. And here same is. And just only I eliminate the x value, but by default here y also eliminate. Only you get 0 plus 0 is equal to 9. 0 is equal to 9, students. It is not true. It is a false. If you hear true coming, then different answer, and false coming, then different answer. If you false coming, then there is no solution. Means solution set is null set. In this scenario, students, here both lines are parallel situations, then they are never intersect. Yes, both are parallel situations, so here never intersect between them. No points are belonging to common. That's why my answer is no solution, and solution set is null set. But if you students this equation are true coming, then your answer going in the coincident line. Line L1, line L2 in this way. And in this case is here are coming to true statement. If you false statement, then you just going to parallel lines. And if you are true, then you going to coincident overlapping lines. Between 1 and 2 are both overlapping and they create only one line. So here are over this numerical. Continue students, example 13. After our last illustrations, students, these illustrations are IMP for board exam level. Many time asking in exam. This question is that sum of a 2-digit number. Students, 2-digit number, you know that starting from 10 and ending at 99. 2-digit number and the number obtained by reversing the digits is 66. If the digits of the number differ by 2, find the number and how many that type such numbers are exist. It's very easy, students. First of all, I assume in 2-digit number, unit place and 10 place. So my solution is Suppose at unit place Bx and at tens place By. Students, always a two-digit number making a unit place and 10 place. So, I think you know for your knowledge wise, this is a two-digit number. Here unit place for U and 10 place for T. Unit place multiply by 1 always and 10 place multiply by 10 always. And I assume here unit place is X, so here multiply by X and 10 place multiply by Y. So, my number is two-digit. Original number, I just here reading original number. It is 1 into unit place plus 10 into 10 place. This equation is by heart from this table. So 1 into X and 10 into Y. So you getting only X plus 10Y. That's my original two-digit number. Now statement read, it is reversing the digits. It means digits are interchanged. If both digits are reversing, it means unit place change. Now unit place I assume that Y and tens place X. So what is the again new number? But it is two-digit number. Equation same applying. But unit place is not X. Now unit place is what? Y. So I just apply Y into U plus 10 into T. T consider tens place. U consider unit place. So what is unit place? Y. And here 10 place X. So I getting here Y plus 10X. Students, whenever you two-digit number regarding given any sum, you must be first write down these 3 steps and these 4 steps. Now I read the question and actually sum start. Before starting your sum two-digit number, students, you must be focused on unit place, 10 place and original number. And after digits are interchanging, I mean reversing, they are applying to new number. Now I read the question. Students, see what is your question. Sum of a two-digit number and the number obtained by reversing. It means original number and new number. It's given 66. So I just apply original number plus new number is equal to both summation 66. Original for this one first, X plus 10Y. And new number is what? Y plus 10X. So definitely you getting here 11X plus 11Y 66. Now 11 common. You getting only X plus Y is equal to 66. So X plus Y 66 by 11. They getting only 6. That's my first equation made. Now, second equation, read. If the digits of the number differ by 2, means these digits, unit place and 10 place, either you xy taking, either yx, both are same. So if, now I utilize this equation, if the digits differ by 2, differ means difference, x minus y is equal to 2, that's the second equation. Now it's very easy process, students. 1 and 2 I just calculate by our elimination method. Only apply our elimination method because already told in this question. So solve by elimination method. First equation I have x plus y 6. Second equation 2. Just you eliminate your y terms in the both way. You getting only here 2x, but here 8. So x is equal to 8 by 2. Then getting only 4. Yes, this 4. Apply either in first, either in second, as you like. So I just going from first. My from first is x plus y is equal to 6. So 4 plus y is equal to 6. Y becomes 6 minus 4, which is 2. Therefore, original number 2-digit. What's your original number? Already I assume that. Yes, x plus 10y. So x I have known 4, y I have known 2. So 4 plus 20, which is 24. And if your number are interchanged, then 24 digits interchange, then 42. So new interchange number. Yes, this is y plus 10x. What's your y? 2. And x become 4. 2 plus 40, which is 42. And these two numbers are exist in this sum. Last question asking that how many that type such numbers asking? Yes, 24 and 42. Students, here numerical is done. But I here explain you two different types of board level MCQ. Yes, students. So here two extra MCQ. I just explain you. Sum of original number plus new number. New number means interchange the digits there. Original number, these are extra. Your numeric already done here. Original number x plus 10y. Here y plus 10x. Sure, you getting 11x plus 11y. 11 common. X plus y. Now my question is that sum of the two-digit number and the interchanging number always divisible by 11. So this answer is what? It's always divisible by 11. Question is that sum of the two-digit number and interchanging number always divisible by which number? Yes, it is 11. And one more question, this also extra. Both of the subtractions. So original number minus new number divisible by always it is 9. Original number x plus 10y and new number is a y plus 10x. Just I calculate, they getting only and only how much? 9y minus 9x. 9 common y minus x. And sure, it is divisible by always 9. This is your second MCQ. It's always divisible by 9. Question is that what is the number divisible by if sum of the original number and new number are addition, that is divisible by 11. And if you subtract for original number and new number, sure it is divisible by 9. You also just carry forward this example. If I write down 24, interchanging 42, sure it is 66, divisible by 11. And if I subtracted here 42 minus 24, sure it is 18. Sure it is divisible by 9. Either minus 18, as you like, 42 minus 24 or 24 minus 42. But these two short MCQ you by heart properly, and this ending this our sum. After that, students, I go to next one, elimination method related sums. Now students, after ending our elimination method, I go to next method. It is method called substitutions method. Yes students, in this substitutions method, we substitute one value in another equations and you obtain same answer. If you calculate elimination method, our result same, and substitutions method is also result same. So I give you one simple example here first, and after that students I start our textbook exercise. See the example. extra questions, x plus y equal to 5 and 2x plus 3y is equal to 8. So these two equations you start by either first, either second. Both way I explain you one by one. First of all, I start in my first step. I utilize first equation. From 1, x plus y is equal to 5. Students, as you like, you also starting from second equation. That also same result coming. Both way I explain you. After that you decided whichever you taking. X plus y equal to 5. Here any value subtract first. 5 minus y I separated and here getting equation number 3. Now step 2. Step 2 is main step. We substitute value of x is equal to 5 minus y. That value are applying to our values for students equations 2. We substitute value of x is equal to 5 minus y in the equation. These are the main turning point. You started from first one, so substitute in the second equations. And if you started from second equation, in substitute in the first equation. That is the main method. So here I start from first, so substitute in the second. So here from 2. What is the from 2? Here from 2 equation, 2x plus 3y is equal to 8. Here apply your x value. Yes students, this x value 5 minus y and calculate by easy way. It is 10, 2y, 3y and is equal to 8. So how much it is? Only y. So y getting 8 minus 10. Yes, that is minus 2. This value is only for our y value. Now I going to find out the next steps. So here step 3. Always utilize from third equation you utilize. Either students if you utilize first, second, same result coming, but method wise I going to third equation. X is equal to 5 minus y. Yes, x same 5 and what is the y? Yes, minus 2. So my answer is 5 plus 2. We get 7. And this value 7 and x value y and ready. Solution xy ready. It is 7 comma. How much? Minus 2. These two answers our this equations. You also verify 7 and minus 2 here apply. Sure you getting 5 answers and here ending. These are numericals. Now students, this same exercise numericals I explain by starting from second and ending in first. Correct? So I again repeat you utilize any one process, both are the same. Now I same question applying, but from second start now. Question same. Step 1, from 2, 2x plus 3y, 8, and calculate x separate either y separate. So 2x is equal to 8 minus 3y. So 8 minus 3y, these two divided by 2. So x value ready. Yes students, and here apply your equation number 3. Process is same. That equation number 3 is your utilize in next equations. Now students, this equation 3 I going to step 2. We substitute value of x is equal to 8 minus 3y by 2 in the equation 1. These are the main turning point because we start from equation 2. So value substitute in the equation 1. And what is the 1? From 1 we have to x plus y is equal to 5. X value, this value I just apply fully value plus y is equal to 5. And this calculate, sure you getting your value. Answer is same coming, huh? Your answer is 7 comma minus 2. It is same coming. So this 2 LCM, 8 minus 3y, 2y, and this also multiply by chain. So how much minus 3y and 2y? Yes, it is minus y. So 8 minus y is equal to 10. So 8 minus 10 is equal to y. What are you getting? Y minus 2. Check my previous calculation and this calculation are same. Now I go to step 3. Step 3 utilize always from 3. This is your third equations. So x is equal to 8 minus 3y by 2. Just students, I put down the value y is equal to minus 2 in the value for y. So it is get 8 plus 6 by 2, 14 by 2. Surely we getting 7. So my solution is what? X comma y 7 comma minus 2. Look at that. This answer is same. And first method answer is the same. Students, most probable. Which method you apply? Which coefficient is single? That equation start here. It's the easy. Either second is also true as you decided and getting your final answer. Now students, I start our exercise 3.4. First question, remaining question by utilize our substitutions method. Now students, exercise start 3.4. Our exercise related questions solved by substitutions method. Yes, now substitutions method. This question already I explained in the elimination method, students. But now I turn to substitutions. So step 1. You start any one equation, either first, either second. We taking equation number 1, x plus y is equal to 5. Best way, first method start, first to second apply, either second equation start, in the first equation apply. So here x separate, 5 minus y, and that get equation number 3. Now step 2, we substitute value of, yes students, this value x is equal to 5 minus y in the equation number. These are the main turning point. I again and again same calling. Here equation 1 utilize, so you substitute in the equation number 2. So from 2, what is from 2? 2x minus 3y is equal to 4. Apply the value x, 5 minus y. Students, this value I apply. This value x here apply. Minus 3y. So 10 minus 2y minus 3y. So 10 minus 5y. Now just you calculate constant one side. 10 minus 4 is equal to 5y. It is 6 is equal to 5y. So what you getting y? Yes, y is only 6 by 5. And that equation is here applying to finally our value for y. Now after value derive y, 6 by 5. Students, I go to step 3. Yes, always step 3. Utilize your third equations. So from 3, what is my from 3? X is equal to 5 minus y. Apply the value. Y is become 6 by 5. So your answer is 21 minus 6 by 5. How much 21 minus 6? Students, 5 5s are 25. Sorry, my mistake. 5 5s are 25. 25 minus 6. It is a 19 by 5. So finally getting solution x comma y 19 by 5 comma 6 by 5. Students, you also matching this answer are true or not. Apply a 19 by 5 and here 16 by 5, both of the plus. 25 by 5, it is 5. This my answer is true, and this answer is indicate what? Two lines intersect at one point, and that point is our 19 by 5 comma 6 by 5. That's your particular two lines are intersection between them and a unique point that. Continue students, question number 2. 3x plus 4y 10 to y equal to 2 by substitutions method. So I start that step 1 from any one equation you utilize, students. I utilize here second one. 2x plus 2y minus 2y is equal to 2. So 2 common taking, you're just getting a 2 cancellations. Here only 1. And next separate them, it is y plus 1. And sure, your equation number 3. That's your third equation done. Now I go to step 2. We substitute value of x is equal to y plus 1. Yes, students. Value of x is equal to y plus 1. I utilize here starting in equation number 2. So substitute in equation number 1. So we substitute value of x is equal to y plus 1 in the equation. First one. So from first. What is the from first? 3x plus 4y is equal to 10. This x value here applies successfully. Y plus 1, 4y and is equal to 10 is same as. So further calculation, 3y plus 3 plus 4y is equal to 10. You get easily 3y and 4y. It is 7y and 10 minus 3. So my answer is only 7 is equal to 7y. Y getting 7 by 7 and that is surely 1. Yes, students, here easily getting value of y. Now step 3. Always utilize in step 3 our third equations. So from equation number 3, what is the third equation? X is equal to y plus 1. So here 1 plus 1, your answer is x is equal to 2. So my solution x comma y, which is 2 comma 1. Students, this answer you also just here verify here 2 putting. So 3 to the 6. Here 1 putting y. So it is 4, 6 and 4, 10. Same also second equation valid in this criteria. And that's your easily getting answers. Now continue, students, slowly. Question number 3. Yes, now third question, 3x minus 5y minus 4 equal to 0 and 9x is equal to 2y plus 7. Same applies, students. Step 1. Any one equation you utilize, first either second. Now students, this time I utilize second one. So from equation number 2, what is the 2? 9x is equal to 2y plus 7. So x getting 2y plus 7 by 9. Yes, this equation I just taking third. So step 2, we substitute value of this x equal to, yes, x is equal to 2y plus 7 by 9 in the equation number, which equation? We starting from second equation, students. So I apply in the equation number 1. So from 1, what is the from 1? 3x minus 5y minus 4 equal to 0. And here, students, we confidently apply this x value. So 3x is how much? 2y plus 7 by 9 and is equal to, these are same as 5y plus 4. I just taking right side. So here 3 3s are cancelled. Only I have 2y plus 7 by 3 and is equal to 5y plus 4. Here nothing, then you just taking 1. Now I apply, students, both of the our cross multiply. So 2y plus 7 and this side 3 into 5y plus 4. Only I taking here cross multiplication, students. So 2y plus 7, here 15y plus 12. Now students, you just collect like term one side. So 2y minus 15y, 12 minus 7. How much? 2 minus 15 minus 13y. And this side 5. So y getting minus 5 by 13. And this answer is your first value y over here according to method bar our substitutions. And this y value you applying that y is equal to minus 5 by 13. Now students, this y value After that I going to step 2. I just going now step 3. Just apply from 3. Students, you applying in the third equation, this one. So x is equal to 2y plus 7 by 9. Just putting your whole value for here y minus 5 by 13. So x is equal to 2, y is a minus 5 by 13 plus 7 by 9, and take out their LCMs. Yes. So their LCM is a 5 2s are 10, 13 7s are 91 by 13 into 9. Yes, 5 2s are 10, 13 7s are 91 because 7 3s are 21, 2 carry, and 7 1s are 7 plus 2 9. So it is get minus 81 by 13 into 9. And minus 81 by 9 is definitely 9 9s are minus 9 by 13. So my solution is x comma y, it's surely minus 9 by 13 and y is your minus 5 by 13. And students, this your answer here, happily done. X is minus 19 by 13 and y is minus 5 by 13. Same as students, exercise continue numerical. Our fourth sum. X by 2, 2y by 3 minus 1 and x minus y by 3 is equal to 3. Just I calculate first of all in the simplest form. Here LCM taking 6. So cross multiply 3x, 2 2s are 4 and minus 1 same, you multiply that, 3x plus 4y is equal to minus 6, and that is taking equation number 1. Same as here students, 3x minus y by 3. Here also 3 3s are multiply upside. So you getting 3x minus y is equal to 9. That equation number 2. Now I start our method, the substitutions method. So step 1. Any one equation utilize, first either second. I think best way second. So from 2, I just start 3x minus y is equal to 9 and separate the y value. 3x minus 9 is equal to y is equal to 3x minus 9. And students, this you are getting equation number easily 3. So go to second step, step 2. This step 2, we substitute value of y is equal to 3x minus 9 in the equation number. Which equation? We start from our equation number 2. So these two substitute in the first. So here apply in the first one. These are the main steps. So from 1, what is the one? 3x plus 4y is equal to minus 6. Just apply y value in this form, 3x minus 9. So just you calculate, easily you getting value for x. So here 3x, 4 3s are 12, 9 4s are 36 and is equal to minus 6 is same as, now like term 3x and 12x, it is 15x, other minus 6 plus 36, and how much it is? Yes, it is 30 only. So x getting 30 by 15, which is only and only 2. And this numerical, after that step 2 students, I go to step 3. Always apply from 3. This here from the equations. Y is equal to just only 3x minus 9. And students, apply happily your value for 3, x is 2. So it is 6 minus 9. How much? Minus 3. So my solution is done here. X comma y is my answer 2 comma minus 3. Yes, this 2 comma minus 3. Your answer is here, applying to successfully and easily done. Students, always utilize here equation third in step 3. Yeah? And these are the main steps. Now students, here our exercise 3.4. Question number 1. Substitutions method related exercise done. And this part is also done here students. Further explanations for in the substitutions method I explain in the next video, and next video in the substitution method for exercise 3.3 related. Okay, thank you, bye bye.